sleep, Atticus put more coal in the fire in the room. He said the thermometer registered 16. क्या पढ़ा पहली वाले लाइन पे?
अभी जो आपने देखा क्या आप भी वैसे ही हैं, क्या आपको भी बुक्स पढ़ना है पर नींद आ जाती है, but this video is for you so that you can get out of your comfort zone and जो बुक्स आप इतने दिनों से पढ़ना चाहते हैं पर पढ़ नहीं पा रहे हैं, इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद you will be able to read. Without further ado, let's get back to today's video, which is 5 different types of book from different genres I have selected which would make your reading journey very, very smooth. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Snigdha Vibes. I am Snigdha Majee and I am a working professional holding 5 years of experience, and along with that I make videos in this channel and I try to make videos which might help anyone living alone and anyone studying or working outside of their home so that their life can be little easy than it is. So without further ado, let's get back to today's video, which is 5 different types of book from different genres I have selected which would make your reading journey very, very smooth. So first up we have this beautiful book, A Walk to Remember, and this is written by Nicholas Sparks. हाँ वही जिन्होंने The Notebook, the famous movie has been adapted from his book only. So ये book romance genre से आता है and ये story it's more like a coming of age story. So there is a guy called Landon who is just 17-year-old and he is anything but not shy. And then there is Jamie Sullivan, उनकी protagonist होती हैं जो she is a very shy girl, she's a very beautiful timid girl who is always into rituals and taking care of the family, and how these two different kind of people like come together and their paths cross. This entire story is about that. Story will give you something for the lifetime. It will show you how true love is all about. Sometimes we love people and they leave, but the love does not go away. So you will also get links online, or you can get your Kindle edition if you want to and read it on your phone. So you do not have any excuse now to read books. And if you need free PDFs, comment, ping me on Instagram, I will help you with that. Oh, okay, next up we have this Agatha Christie's The Unexpected Guest. So जब भी बुक्स के बारे में बात करते हैं तो one thing is very important, which is अगर आप starting कर रहे हो अपनी reading journey की तो try to grab a book which has something to solve. So that's why आप उस बुक में थोड़ा सा उलझे रहोगे कि आपको भी जानना है कि क्या होने वाला है बुक में. So you have to get some cliffhanger kind of book, like आजकल के जो वेब सीरीज होती हैं, and इसलिए मुझे वेब सीरीज नहीं पसंद है. Yeah, unpopular opinion, but I don't like web series because they kind of keep you on hold for each thing, and it's not healthy, I think. I mean, anyway, coming back to the book of topics. So this book, The Unexpected Guest, is a beautiful concoction of suspicion, crime, melodrama, everything is there. And this book has only how many pages? 166 pages. This book was actually adapted or novelized by Charles Osborne, and this Unexpected Guest was actually a play which is written by Agatha Christie. इसकी कहानी कहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है? Let me tell you like a little gist of it. तो एक अचानक से एक दिन एक अजनबी एक किसी के घर पे आता है. वो आके देखता है कि एक लड़की खड़ी हुई है एंड वहाँ पे उनके जो हस्बैंड है ही इज डेड एंड द गर्ल हैज द गन और द नाइफ इन हर हैंड. तो ये स्टोरी वहां से स्टार्ट होती है. तो स्टोरी देख के आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि अच्छा ये तो पता है वाइफ ने ही खून किया होगा, वाइफ का नाम है लारा यहाँ पे, बट स्टोरी यहाँ पे नहीं खत्म होती है. स्टोरी यहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है, आपको और बहुत सारे सस्पेक्ट्स मिलते हैं एंड यू विल बी ऑलवेज थिंकिंग कौन है. आप ही के सामने वो सस्पेक्ट घूम रहा होता है बट आपको नहीं पता है. वंस यू पिक दिस बुक अप एंड अनटिल और अनलेस यू अंडरस्टैंड हु इज द murderer, who is the culprit of this book, you won't be able to keep it down. So this book is going to be game changing for you in case you are not able to keep up with the book. Just check it out. Thank me later for this. The 5 people you meet in heaven. So नाम से ही पता चलता है कि क्या होने वाला है. So yes, this book is about afterlife. When you talk about books, you cannot help but talk also about spiritual, health, self-help, and things like that. So this books, I got zoned out because this book has everything to offer you. It is a self-help book. It also talks about life's problems. It also talks about a philosophical perspective of life. This book is written by Niche Album, who has also authored one of the very, very famous book that is Tuesdays with Maury, and that's my favorite book. I do not have that copy right away. That was my first read, and then I read this. So if you want to read both of them. The book starts with a old veteran, war veteran, whose name is Eddie. He is 83-year-old. He is working in a amusement park and he is not very satisfied with his life. He's always thinking about something or the other, and he is basically not in present. He has been all over his life basically. And क्या होता है कि उस दिन उनका बर्थडे था एंड वो अम्यूजमेंट पार्क पे काम कर रहे थे एंड he fell off from an accident, and while trying to save a little girl, he died. And that's where the story starts. He went to the heaven as it is, and then he met 5 people there, and he understood how they have impacted his life when he was alive. So he was like of getting the explanation of the incidents or the things in his life. He even met a person who has died to save him. So you can imagine it. It is a roller coaster book. You will get to know a lot of things about life. You will relate to a lot of things. So just check it out. You are going to love this book. And बुक्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो अगर हम थोड़ा बहुत सेल्फ हेल्प बुक के बारे में नहीं बात करेंगे तो फिर कैसे, है ना? सो देखिए, अब हम बात करने वाले हैं इस बुक के बारे में. द नेम इज इकिगाई, द जापानीज सीक्रेट टू अ लॉन्ग एंड हैप्पी लाइफ. एंड दिस बुक इज ऑथर्ड बाय 2 पीपल, हेक्टर गार्सिया एंड फ्रांसिस मिरेल्स. सो इकिगाई का मतलब सबसे पहले समझते हैं. इकिगाई का मतलब होता है वेलनेस ऑफ द माइंड, सोल एंड एवरीथिंग. तो ये कहा जाता है कि जापानीज में लोग काफी दिनों तक रहते हैं. उनकी लाइफ लॉन्जिविटी इज रियली गुड. देयर आर मेनी सेंचुरियंस एंड सुपर सेंचुरियंस जो 100 साल से भी ज्यादा जीते हैं और अभी भी अपना काम खुद से करते हैं. तो इन दोनों ने क्या किया, जापान में जाके ओकिनावा करके एक सिटी है, एंड वहां पे जाके ये लोग वैसे सेंचुरियन से मिलते हैं, जिनसे जाके समझते हैं कि उन्होंने लाइफ में ऐसा क्या किया कि वो लोग अभी भी इतना हेल्दी एंड हैप्पी लाइफ लीड कर रहे हैं. सो यू विल गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड a lot about Japanese way of life. I think you should get it a go because it's written in a very simple way and you do not have to be like attached to the book. You can just kind of read 2-3 pages and just keep it and then come back to the book anytime you want to. अगर आपको सेल्फ हेल्प बुक या ऐसे ही कुछ कल्चरल वाइज बुक में इंटरेस्ट है तो आई थिंक गिव इट अ गो. नेक्स्ट वन we have another very special books. I think I'm gonna say the special word to every book because every book is special, you know. So this is it, To Kill a Mockingbird. I'm pretty sure अगर आपके लाइफ में ऐसे कोई रीडर फ्रेंड है तो उन्होंने आपको तो लाइफ में ये पक्का बताया होगा कि टू किल अ मॉकिंगबर्ड पढ़ लो, और आपने नहीं पढ़ा है. बट इस बार ये नहीं करना, इस बार आपको ये पढ़ना है. सो दिस बुक इज रिटन बाय हार्पर ली, who has only written 2 books in her entire life, basically published them, and this particular book has got one of the very prestigious awards, that is Pulitzer Prize. The best part of this book, that according to me, is this book is written with the perspective of a child. Scout is the name of that child, और ये story उनके भाई और उनका एक दोस्त है डिल एंड जेम फिंच, इन तीनों के इर्द गिर्द घूमती है. उनके फादर है एटिकस फिंच, हु इज अ लॉयर. इफ आई कुड से दिस, ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फादर आई हैव एवर रेड इन अ बुक. ओके, Harper Lee has talked about so many important things in this book. It has talked about racism in America in 1960s. Atticus is lawyering a case where a black man is accused of rape of a white man, and how crucial is that entire story. Just imagine. So he has to have that audacity in that time to go against their own tribe and stand for a black man in America. So this story is going to be very interesting. This will keep you on hook for the entire time. It is little slow, but just give it a go. I am pretty sure you will like it, because who does not like To Kill a Mockingbird? So here are the 5 books I have told today. इसमें थोड़ा दिमाग लग गया था, sorry for that. So take a screenshot and get this books for yourself. और ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है and you think this video will bring a little value to your life, then please like, share and comment so that other people know about this channel, and it helps both of us, them, you, me, to grow together. Agle hafte. Until then, take care, stay safe, eat well, be happy and mindful. Bye bye.